Money-saving tips to massively reduce your food bill. Budgeting for your meals doesn't have to be difficult or limiting. Learn how to save money on food every day going forward by using these simple measures to reduce your food costs today. The statistics are truly alarming. According to a Telegraph piece from last year, the average household spends a whopping £5,000 on groceries each year, which works out to about £412 per month. However, lovefoodhatwaste.com reports that we throw away almost £60 of this food each month. 15% of the food we buy and the money we spend on it are shockingly wasted. In order to prevent us from wasting more money each year, something needs to change. The Telegraph story estimates that the cost of food will have increased by about 19% over the next 4 years. These money-saving suggestions can really start to make that shift for you, because we need to start controlling what we spend and becoming more conscious of what we waste. Simply altering how you utilize food and what you buy with your money can have a significant impact. Number 1. Use food you already have. Don't overlook what you already have when you consider what you and your family eat each night. Most individuals keep enough food in their freezer or cabinets to last at least 2 weeks, and occasionally even several months. You could easily save if you just had a weekly freezer night or cupboard night. Consider this: over the course of a year, 1 meal per week that is essentially free equates to nearly 7 weeks of meals. Number 2. Use before the best before. I've opened the cabinet so many times and discovered items that were past their best before dates that I've lost count. You can avoid wasting food by catching it before it passes its best before date if you develop the practice of inspecting what's in the cupboards before deciding what to have for dinner. Number 3. Buy in bulk and prepare your meals. When you prepare a meal, bulk prepare and freeze 2 or 3 additional meals so you'll have them on hand for days when you'll either be too busy or just want to take a break from cooking. By purchasing food in bulk and preparing it this way, you may save money, use up more ingredients and reduce food waste, and have wholesome alternatives in the freezer for when you need them. Number 4. Carefully plan your shop time. At the end of each day, most supermarkets will offer discounts on their fresh produce, fruit, vegetables, bread, etc., and you'll also notice that they often mark down products that are getting close to their best before dates. As a result, the evening is the optimum time to shop for these things. Planning your meals around what you buy from the grocery store can be enjoyable and quickly save you a ton of money. Bonus tip: you may freeze bread, as well as a variety of fruits and vegetables, to save money and still have access to them when you need them. Number 5. Check out reduced food sections. When grocery shopping, a lot of individuals avoid the discounted section because they mistakenly think that the food in this section has gone off and won't be good to eat. This is not the case, though. Although the food in your supermarket's reduced department will be close to expiration, as long as you can use it in a meal the same day or the next day, it is perfectly okay. Additionally, buying food from the sale section will save you a ton of money. For no other reason than the fact that they must be eaten quickly after purchase, the decreased food items are frequently marked down to half price. Number 6. Great food offers. There is nothing wrong with purchasing items in bulk when they are on sale. Yes, you will initially spend more money, but if you are purchasing items that you would normally purchase regularly, you will eventually save money on your basics. The idea is to only purchase items that are on sale if you genuinely require them to begin with. Number 7. Create a weekly meal plan. Simply arranging your meals can have a significant impact on how much money you spend on food each week. If you have a plan, you can buy exactly what you need at the store, use leftovers for meals later in the week, and generally reduce the amount of food you need to buy. Number 8. Food portion size counts. It's simple to focus on what you put in your weekly shopping cart and try to reduce your spending, but if you truly start with how much you eat, it can benefit both your money and your health. When we cook for ourselves, we tend to eat amounts that are overly large. By simply reducing your portions a little, your food will naturally last longer and you'll use less food overall. Number 9. Your friend is the freezer. Making use of your freezer as part of your meal preparation allows you to buy in bulk, utilize what you need when you need it, and overall extend the life of your food. You may freeze meals, bread, fruit and vegetables, herbs, and more. Number 10. Create a food shopping list. Along with meal planning, having a list of what you need to buy at the grocery store and sticking to it can help you save a lot of money by preventing you from becoming distracted by offers for items you actually don't need. Number 11. Use less ready-prepared food. You pay more for goods like bagged salad, ready grated cheese, mashed potatoes, and frozen chips since they've already done a lot of the preparation work for you. Yes, time is scarce and we all need to cook quickly for ourselves and our families, but what about setting aside half an hour after a grocery run to chop and prepare all the fresh food at once? It takes much less time, and when you need the fruit, vegetables, etc. for the entire week, you already have them all prepared and in the refrigerator. Number 12. Shop around for deals. If you have the time, shopping around can significantly reduce your food budget. You can discover that specific locations offer superior value for particular products, such as farmers' markets as opposed to supermarkets. Number 13. Create your own food on the go. Have you thought of buying a travel cup and preparing your own coffee before you leave the house? Buying coffee every day might add up quickly in terms of price. Over time, you can even save money by purchasing a decent coffee machine for your home. Number 14. Tryon branded foods. Frequently, supermarkets have their own brands of goods that are competitive with brands but cost much less. If you're brand loyal, switching one item every time you buy to a product with a supermarket brand and tasting it for a week might just result in the unbranded item becoming your new favorite moving forward, not to mention the money you'll save. Thanks for watching. Check out the next video in the pinned comment.